conserving trees and protecting our environment. We are safeguarding our planet Earth for our future generations. Let's rally together, my friends. Our Earth, the giver of our life, needs our protection. Water, the essence of our existence, must be conserved. Trees, the lungs of our planet, deserve our safeguarding. Our action today will shape the world tomorrow. So let's unite in our efforts to preserve our environment and create the better world for our future generations. So my dear friends, let's all work together to have a positive impact in our environment. Together, we can make a better future for our generations to come. So my dear friends, let's all work together to have a positive impact on our environment. Let us nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. Together, we can make a significant difference and inspire others to join us on this vital mission. Together, we are unstoppable. So save Earth, save water, and save food. Thank you.
Thank you, Divya. Now it's time to hear from the leader of our institution, who is none other than Sister Leslie. So I request Sister Leslie to address our assembly.
I request Ms. Archana and the 10th A class to come on the stage. So, did you like the assembly? Already I have given you the instruction which I want to give you. Please keep that in mind and make the stage. That is another 10th A on the stage. So keep those in mind and work hard this year. Can you all of you sit straight once? Yes. Just clap the hands for them. I congratulate Ms. Archana and 10th A class for presenting this theme so well, that we are empowered and brought awareness to us for the need of taking care of our environment. Thank you, Ms. Archana and 10th A. This they have done in 2 days, that also not 4 days. And I congratulate you for all this effort and the smart work you have put in 2 days to present an assembly. You are marvelous people. So you sir and your class teacher also who animated them need once more a big applause. I hope the same smartness, enthusiasm, vigor you have put in no time an assembly shows that you are very talented and efficient students. And we are going to therefore, my hopes are high and your teachers' hopes are high for getting a good result for each of you in the next, at the end of the year, during the SSC examination. The significance of today. I need not speak much about it because the assembly has spoken volumes. What we need to do is to put into practice and understand the grievance of the damage which we are causing to the environment. Our is made up of 5 elements: air, water, fire, earth and sky. Now all this, the right proportion, combination of this 5 elements has made the life possible on the earth. Any damage to the proportion or the presence of any element and its proportion may cause serious damage and serious threat to the life. Earth is a home for the life. There is no planets or heavenly body so far we know in the universe having such an environment which can make possible the life. So the only planet which can sustain life, or only heavenly body which can sustain life, is being damaged by human beings. It has to be shared by all living things which live on the earth has to share this earth and its environment. But we the human being more intelligent, more skill, more ability to understand, has damaged it and caused a great harm, which is called the environmental degradation, and climate, which is causing the climate change. And my dear students, it has reached to such an extent of not being able to repair it and bring back to the right situation. It is caused by only and only human beings. Because of our greed, because our need to live luxurious life. Now, when a living organism which is unfit, which causes damage to the balance of the ecosystem will discard. So there are two possibilities waiting for the world. If the world wants to survive, the earth wants to survive with life, either discard the human beings or get fully perished. So the rest of the organisms are left with this two choices: to discard the entire human race from the earth, and also or all the living organisms together perish. So the most probably the choice will be discarding the human race from the earth. So signs of that we can see through the climate change, from the pandemic we had 2 years, 3 years ago. All these are signs and warning for us that the living organism on this world is at the verge of discarding the human race from the earth in order to make it itself survive. So, being children, what is our goal is to understand the significance of this, importance of this, seriousness of this. Don't neglect say that it is not going to affect us. Already we can see the natural calamities causing so much of disaster everywhere. Even Papua New Guinea this year, landslide, 2,000 people were punished. And Libya, last year, flood, the whole city was washed away. These are all signs from the nature that we have to amend our ways, or will be extinct. So if you want a future for you and for your generation, you need to take this message of the nature and the environment very seriously. I remember 35 years ago when I was a child like you all, I never have seen papers, plastic lying all around. We did not have papers and plastic like this. The books, what we had was taken very carefully, taken care of. We did not have any extra paper, newspapers using so so much like this. And no plastics. The only plastic what we used to have was when we go to buy clothes, the clothes were given in a plastic bag. And those plastic bags were taken as something precious thing for the different uses were used. And today, everything at that time, the food items or whatever we buy from the shop, they used to be not in the plastic bag, in a paper wrap or in the leaves wrapped were given. And also, no line of plastic bags here and there. For example, once when we have a party or a lunch or a marriage, the amount of dirt and waste collected which will not degrade, the whole entire marriage surrounding will be fully filthy and dirty. And then that will be remaining there without degrading, and if it is disposed also afterwards, it will be remaining without degrading. And after my 12th standard, joined became sister. So when I went back to my place, I had not seen anything lying on the road and here and there, plastics collected and thrown or lying here, that I had not seen. And afterwards I used to go maybe twice in a year for holidays and all. So I did not much have noticed. So when after I started to notice so much of plastic and lying here and there, I was thinking, my home place is not like this. It is so clean and nice without any dirt and filth and plastic lying around. So the last time when I visited my hometown, I was in dismay. The same thing what I see here and there, everywhere, the same thing is happening there also. Plastic lying here and there. In 35 years, what a difference in the environment we have made, just because of the plastic alone. So therefore, please take care that avoid using of the plastic, avoid wasting water, take care of your things. And even today, just said, recently I read in the newspaper, now we are studying solar energy, trying to make solar energy for conserving the energy resource. But even that is causing a lot of e-waste, the vehicle damaged, the factory disposal of waste and sewage, everything is causing more and more dirt and damage to the earth. So therefore, we have to do something. Otherwise, as I said, either the nature will discard us, the environment will discard us, or the whole living being from the earth will be wiped out. So it is our choice, our decision. So therefore, be conscious and conscientized and make it clear and tangible effort. Don't think only if I take care, what is the use all others are doing. Many drops make the ocean. Therefore, each one of you should take care of the nature and the only home of life and preserve it and protect it. It is all of our duty. Take promise to yourself and to our Mother Nature that we take care of our environment. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your words of knowledge. Without your support and encouragement, we would never be here. Thank you. Now it's time for all of us to get ready to move because a beat is going to drop for a high energetic dance performance.
Thank you. थोडे दिवस थांब अशी लाईन लागेल लांब मी पण बनूनच दाखवीन हिरोईन गुलाबी साडी आणि लाल लाल दिसते ती बाई म्हणे माझा गुलाबी साडी आणि लाल लाल दिसते ती बाई म्हणे माझा
Every ending needs a happy ending. So, let us end our program with a vote of thanks. I call my friend Shashank to deliver the vote of thanks.
This has been a great honor to be the part of this event. On behalf of my whole class, 10th A, I would like to give vote of thanks. It has been a wonderful event. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our principal, Sister Rashmi, manager, Sister Jyoti, all teachers. A special thanks to our class teacher, Miss Archana, who have supported us to make this event a successful one. Also, I like to thank our uncles and aunties for their support. A wide round of applause to our participants and all the children who have made this event a wonderful one. Thank you once again. Happy World Environment Day.